Well, I just got out here to the property. And I spy a couple deer sitting over there. Just laying down by my hammock. How are you two doing today? You comfortable? You got a stretch? Crazy ass deer. I am going to go check out the bird feeder and see what we got going on. Mama bird let me get pretty close yesterday. I'm going to see if I can get even closer today. Hi there, Mama bird. You didn't have to take off. I'm just going to take a peek here, see what we got going on here. Just want to see how your little eggs are doing. There we go, we got eggs. Alright, there you go. You go back to what you're doing, Mama bird. Crazy deer. Well, how's the bird feeder doing? Looks like I could put some bird seed out. I'm gonna put some bird seed out. I'm gonna go home for supper today. Second thought, I'm gonna start the Jenny up. Start pumping some of that water out of my trench. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab my saw. Do a little cutting. It's a beautiful day. I like to do some cutting since it's a nice day. And knock down some of those blowdowns right out in front of the cabin. Yeah, she's flowing. My moat. So, let's go gas up the saw. Just need a little one. Just need the little saw. Brain bucket. Gas and oil. I just want to cut one tank. That'd be nice. I'm going to piss the deer off, but it's alright. I'm going to interrupt them. I'm good to the deer, so they can deal with it. Give me a little bit of Earl. A little bit of Earl. I don't need much. There we go. It's good Earl. Let's put the brain bucket on. See, brain bucket. Got the brain bucket on. Something that's needed. I gotta put those sunglasses in the Jeep, otherwise I will forget to grab them. There, it's in the Jeep. Yeah. I see that one back there is pregnant. Yeah, I'm going back here. I don't care where you guys go. I want to take care of some of this stuff back here. Drop it down. That thing right there. Take care of that. I don't have a tripod for the camera, so I'm just going to set it up somewhere and hopefully it can get a video of what's going on. Heck if I know. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, you. Start. Oh, sugar jets. Okay. What the hell? Oh. That's not cool. My saw's not starting. That's a workout. Go get Brutus. Let's go get Brutus. Yeah, that's a workout. I don't like that my saw didn't start. But I don't want to deal with it. Not today. So, hello, Brutus. So how you're doing? Yeah, you need gas. Need a screwdriver for that, Cap. Oh, come on, you. I might not be cutting today. Things are not going my way. Definitely not going my way. Holy crap! Definitely not going my way today. Holy shit, what the hell? What the hell? Why is that knot coming off of there? What do I got here? This is quickly turning out to be a bad idea today, because everything I'm doing is turning to mush on me today. There. Good flippin' gravy. Why is that so tight? Wow. Never had that thing on there that tight before. I don't know how much got caught on camera. But I took care of that tree and a couple of others. And I see this. It is a big pile of poo. What left that big pile of poo? I don't know. That's not deer. It's too small to be bear. Whatever it is had to run. Maybe it was a cat, I don't know. I have no idea. But I got some cutting done. I feel better about that. Come on out and work up a sweat. Get some fresh air. Donate my blood to the mosquito population and the wood ticks. Now I'll go back to that little saw. Just take a gander at it, see if I can't figure out why it didn't start. That's my trail saw. That's my climbing saw. If that's not working, I'm gonna have issues. But old Brutus there fires up every time. I love that saw. That's a good saw right there. That was actually a present. That was a present from a friend of mine. Now, what the heck is going on here? 1, 2, 3. I can smell gas. Yeah, maybe I flooded it. Oh, holy crap. That's a workout. Oh well, you know, live and learn. Some reason it ain't firing up. Well, at least when I come out here, I'm not looking at that tree hanging up over there. Boy, we gotta collect a lot of firewood over here. Yeah, lots of firewood. Oh, you shouldn't do this kind of stuff on an empty stomach. And I brought nothing to put on the grill today. I'm off tomorrow. My son's graduation tomorrow, so I'll probably come out here in the morning, do some work out here in the morning, do some cutting. you know, other things. I work on draining my trench. Because Lord knows it's got a lot of water in it. We've been getting so much rain. It's just nuts. It's just nuts on how much rain we've been getting. Just dumped on every day. We don't normally get dumped on like this. I mean, yeah, we usually, you know, have about a month of solid rain in the spring, but I got things to get done. And they're not going to get done if it keeps raining. And, you know, it's just, oh, it's just one of those things. Tomorrow, come out, do a little cutting, jump on the tractor, go pull those cedar logs out that I found. You know, spend some time cutting. I might as well do. I can't put in my water line yet because every time I turn around, my trench is getting full of water. I was optimistically happy about 2 weeks ago. The trench was dry for like 2 days, and I'm like, well, if it stays like this, I can put my water line in. Well, that was short and brief because it's been solid rain ever since. When we had that big storm come through, I didn't lose one tree on the property, which I found amazing with all the trees I got. We had that storm come in, and in the town we live in, the small town we live in, looked like a flipping war zone. Trees and trash all over the place. Out here it's kind of hard to tell when you lose a tree because you got so many trees. But I'd know. I would know. I know my property pretty well. I can tell you if somebody's on my property too. It's just the feeling you get. Now I'm going to sign off and go head home and grab some food.